Yeah, do they get faster each time?
Yes.
Okay.
I luckily have good reflexes.
See, that's the thing. When you get these longer ones, you can't see what's happening on the other end, like you said. So you got to figure it out on your own.
They would be able to hear you say yellow.
Guys should make this one okay. He's got you. That was great.
Did you see how my hat fell? Did it fall? I caught it just in time.
How far was it from the thing?
It was like this. And then it flew off right there and I luckily caught it. It wasn't
Yellow!
Come on, Ema!
Wow! Almost slipped off the hill.
Yeah, we can tell that there's more weight. We get speeding up quite a little bit. She's going, uh-oh.
Ema,
Yeah.
did you see my
I think I came in a little hotter.